If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, I'm about to share with you one simple thing that you can do to help you make a lot more money as an Amazon affiliate. Now be sure to stay to the very end of this video because I'm gonna share the most important part of this strategy. Now, when it comes to being an Amazon affiliate, and just like with any affiliate program, one of the main issues people have is getting traffic to the offer. Like, how do I get as much traffic as I can to whatever it is I'm promoting? You probably already know the basic places to promote your Amazon affiliate links, right? Of course, you watching this video, so YouTube is always my #1 spot to promote Amazon links and things like that. But then the next place, obviously, people always talk about TikTok, right? Then you got Instagram, right? We know all that. But there's a place that a lot of people don't talk about that could actually bring you a lot of traffic to your Amazon links. And what I'm talking about is Facebook. Now you might be thinking, dude, I know that. Like, come on, man. But I don't mess with Facebook. I'm not doing the Facebook thing. I'm cool on Facebook. Now listen, normally I would agree with you. I'm like, yo, I'm not big on Facebook marketing. I'm not big on the whole, Facebook groups and things like that. But when it comes to Amazon and Amazon products, I think using Facebook, and in particular using Facebook groups, can be very beneficial to Amazon affiliates. Say for example, you are promoting the new iPhone, right? And you get a decent little commission. You might get, $50 per sale that you generate for Amazon. So how I would use Facebook is you want to join relevant groups, right? And you might be thinking, dude, I already know that, man. I ain't trying to do that. I told you. But listen, all right, listen. Join relevant groups, all right? So maybe groups, about iPhones, right? Groups about, tech related, whatever. Groups that are related to your product, all right? So just for example, you join a couple groups about iPhones, okay? Now, this is where you can post your video review of the new iPhone, all right? Now, why is this better than just your typical, you're promoting a product and you go in a whole bunch of groups and you just post ads, right? Talking about whatever it is you're promoting. This is a lot better because if you put a video in a relevant group, right, and it's a review, people are going to engage with that. Because think about it. You post a new review video for the new iPhone, you're going to put it in, 5 iPhone groups. And you tell people like, yo, I just got the new iPhone. Here's what I think. You don't think people are going to actually watch that video and engage with that video? And the more people that engage with the video, the more that video gets pushed out there. And ultimately, the more money you can make. And the one thing that's really cool about being an Amazon affiliate, even though a lot of times they commissions are garbage, this is why I recommend, promoting high ticket things, but whatever. People are familiar with Amazon. People are used to buying on Amazon. So if you do a review on a product and you say, hey, if you want to check it out for yourself, here's the link. When people see that Amazon link, they're like, oh shit, yeah, I was going to get that there anyway. You know what I'm saying? Cool, right? So this is an easy way to generate a lot of traffic to whatever it is you're promoting and ultimately generating a lot more commissions. But here is the most important part of this method, all right? And that is you want to post your videos natively on Facebook. And just in case you're like, what the hell did you just say? All right, let me break it down. You're not going to share the review that you put on YouTube, take the link and put it in groups. You could do that, but it would be a lot smarter to take the original video file, the video file that you uploaded to YouTube, take that file and upload it directly to the groups. Why? Because Facebook really don't like YouTube links, right? And they might be hating a little bit and not put it out there as much as they would a video that is directly uploaded to Facebook. So this right here could make a huge difference. So before you delete the video off your computer after you put it on YouTube, take that video and upload it to 4 or 5 Facebook groups. That is the important key about this whole strategy. So if you all about affiliate marketing and love making money as an affiliate, you're definitely gonna want to watch this video right here.